At a time when the global economy is facing serious challenges, His Majesty's government is committed to creating new opportunities for the people of Brunei Darussalam and all investors. Such opportunities include the creation of a world-class petrochemical hub at the Sungai Liang Industrial Park. An 850-ton capacity methanol plant is being constructed and will be operational in early 2010. Other petrochemical projects are also being considered. A new technology park for young entrepreneurs and SMEs has also been created at Anggrek Desa. This includes the iCenter, which houses 14 local companies working on new ideas for business solutions, mobile solutions and internet applications. Pulau Muara Besar, or PMB, a 955-hectare island in the Brunei Bay, approximately 1 kilometre from Muara town, is to become the new centre of opportunities for Brunei Darussalam. In the late 1800s, Muara was a fishing village inhabited by a small group of Malay fishermen. A large coal deposit was found in the area, which led to the development of Brookton Colliery Coal Mine in 1883, mainly to serve steamships plying the region. A wooden railway was built to transport the coal to the safe deep water anchorage at Muara, and wharves and jetties were built to allow steamships and barges to berth. By the late 1960s, the government decided that the best location for a deep-sea port would be at Muara, 27 kilometers from the capital. Construction began in the late 1960s. The port was declared open by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II during her official visit to Brunei in February 1972. Her Majesty the Queen, seen here, is accompanied by a young army officer who is today our Minister of Energy. The royal yacht Britannia became the first ship to dock at the newly opened port. By February 1973, commercial operations began and Muara Port was commissioned as the Ports Department the following year. The Sinzan Maru No. 7 became the first cargo ship to dock and unload goods at the port. Since then, the port has become the gateway for the external trade of Brunei Darussalam. In the first 10 years of its operation, an average of 500 ships called at the port annually, mainly from Singapore, Malaysia and Japan. The Royal Navy and Marine Police are strategically located at the port for better policing of this important gateway. To complement the port operations, a new industrial site commenced operation in Serasa to accommodate a cement factory, garment manufacturing factories, and an auto assembly plant, to name a few. To create new opportunities and pursue economic diversification for Brunei Darussalam, the Brunei Economic Development Board (BEDB) engaged the services of an international consultancy firm to examine the viability of a deep-water container port at PMB. Findings showed that given the high growth of the container trade in the region, the strategic location of PMB and its proximity to deep water, it is both viable and an attractive investment opportunity. To seize this opportunity, His Majesty's government, through the BEDB, will embark on a multi-phase development through public-private partnerships. This development will create new opportunities for different types of industries to include a deep-water container port, a manufacturing hub, and other projects such as petrochemical and downstream industries, an export processing zone, a halal food distribution hub, logistics and warehousing. The full PMB development will require the provision of basic infrastructure including roads, power generation, water supply, telecommunication services, and a bridge linking the island to the mainland. The development will transform Pulau Muara Besar into a new centre of economic activity that will bring business and employment opportunities to the people of Brunei Darussalam and all investors.